And we're live. Welcome back to the Crypto Sherpa channel where I read you that crypto news. I even moved the camera around and there's Amanda. Hi, Amanda. She's on screen. She's my little work buddy here chilling as I do the show. She won't be on the camera anymore. I just surprised her with that one. But yes, welcome back to the show. We got a couple articles to go through. As the title said, UAE residents can now trade crypto directly with their big bank account. Now that's kind of big deal because that's what I've been waiting for when you actually do trades and interactions with crypto and Bitcoin in your own bank, because that's the only time I'd want to actually borrow against my asset. I don't want to go to any of these companies out there. We saw what happened back in 2020 or 2021. So it's like a no. But if it hits the bank account, I may feel like maybe a little bit more confident to just borrow against it a little bit. But again, if you do this, you do not have self-custody at all. You're giving up some self-custody rights for it. So I wouldn't be giving away all my assets, just how much I would be borrowing against. But no, let's go with this article. It comes from Cointelegraph. And the new integration enables this to directly convert between the UAE dirhams into Bitcoin and Ether using the M2 spot market. So we got the Cointelegraph uses this cover all the time. It has to do with the UAE. But the crypto exchange M2 announced that it will allow residents in the United Arab Emirates to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ether directly using their bank accounts. In an announcement shared with Cointelegraph, the digital asset custodian said that the new integration will allow UAE residents to directly convert their dirhams into Bitcoin and Ether through trading pairs listed on M2 spot markets. Users can trade Bitcoin and Ether for dirhams and vice versa. In addition, users can also deposit and withdraw their dirhams. Now, the M2 team believes that the new integration enables users to swiftly adapt to market changes, allowing them to easily convert their local currency and into crypto. Also, it gives the banks a more just a thorough look on their transactions. Stay on our side, the CFI, centralized finance side, because if you do everything in DeFi, we don't know what you're doing. So of course they want to make it as easy as possible for you to use because they want you to use it. But again, if you learn the DeFi side, you are A-okay and safe. But let's go over the wider accessibility of the virtual assets in the UAE. According to the M2, the new integration allows the exchange to expand its offerings amid a rapidly evolving landscape. The team also believes that the new integration is a milestone for the wider accessibility of virtual assets in the region. Kimmel told Cointelegraph that the new integration could also help everyday investors, especially those who are not fully entrenched in the nuances of the trading environment. Due to higher levels of familiarity and some of the highest trading volumes on the market, BTC and ETH tend to be the go-to virtual asset for entry-level investors looking to get involved in the space, Kimmel added. He also said that the UAE is one of the world's strictest in the consumer protection. So in addition to the executive highlighted that this move is also regulated by the UAE government, which he describes as one of the world's strictest regulatory frameworks that prioritizes consumer protection. Now, throughout the years, the UAE has tried to better protect consumers in crypto. In 2022, Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority required marketers and promoters to provide more clarity in their advertisements to better protect consumers. And then also in 2023, the UAE established a new federal law dedicated to protecting consumers and preventing FTX-like entities from attempting to commit fraud in the country. Now, the government will also impose sanctions of up to 10 million AED or 2.7 million US dollars and fines for the violators. Kimmel also previously said that the ADGM's licensing process was demanding because of its high standards for multilateral trading facility permits. However, the executive also said that this is due to diligence, allows the UAE users to trust that licensed platform and meet the country's security and transparency standards. Now, the UAE continues to be a strategic region out there. In previous Cointelegraph interviews, business consulting firm executive Tao Zhao said that the VARA licensing process could take up to a year to complete, and the executive believes that the stringent framework reflects the region's dedication to maintaining market integrity and guarding investors. While the process is difficult, the executive believes that it's worth it, the benefit. The executives believe it's worth it. Now, the benefits include favorable tax policies, access to global markets, and a safe environment for innovation. So by having all these policies in place, they got pretty solid for what they were doing out there. So, which is why they're able to throw into the bank. Now, who's the M2 spot market? It's an exchange. I believe they're then working with the banks out there to do it. But no, so UAE residents can now trade directly with crypto using M2 spot market. So that's our first article for you.